Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. Well, hey family, happy Thursday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. I am sitting here still working on men bracelets. I didn't record these bracelets that I was making, but I wanted to show you what they came out looking like. I'm really digging the color coordination and also the way I did the middle bracelet. So the middle part of it, I went ahead and linked some agate beads, those, and then I went ahead and just beaded the rest of it to make it a stretch bracelet. And it is for a bigger wrist, about an 8. And then this is what it looks like. Pretty cool, I think. So we got that one, and then we got this one. I'm really liking all the colors that are mixed up in this one. So we got this one, and then we got this one here. I like the colors with this one as well. Just they look very masculine to me. The colors, the beads that I used, even like with the link. I think if I linked it with gold, with the gold wire, it would look feminine. So the silver really does make it look nice and masculine, and all the colors that are mixed in together. So this one is just a 3-piece, and I did use more of those little lava beads. So we got those on here. Mix it with a lot of wood beads and a couple of glass beads, some agates, a bone bead, and some little wood spacers, and also some other little small beads. And I really like the coordination of it. I like the way it came out. So I wanted to show you, even though I didn't videotape it, show you what the finished product looks like. And these are going on some websites as we speak. And guess what? We'll talk.